Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm unboxing this nut lamp stand. I don't get it at all. So I'm gonna open this. Yo, this is the menu. Okay, so it's like a standing lamp. It's a lamp. Okay, so how to build this? Not gonna use that. I don't know how. Okay, so this is how to be the bottom of this white one. Yo. This is a lot of wires. Yo, they even have this cover. This is cool. So this is this one. So I have to keep this in here. I'll put this one here. Yes. Yo, this is so big. Okay, now the plastic. Yo, this is cool. This and there. Spin it. Isn't this one? Things. That's not this one. Okay, so this has to be here. Okay, I'll keep this right here. I'll check the difference. Oh, this has to be the bottom. For this one is for the bottom stand. Okay, put that there. How to do this? Oh, wow. Later. I'll open this later. So now I'm gonna get this. Yeah, this is so heavy. Oh. This is so heavy. Look at this. Ow. Look. Look at all of this plastic. This has to be for the bottom. Oh. So now this one, we have to cut here or here. So hard. So I will move this two. My sister's helping me. So I will move this two from the plastic. Now have to do two more. So now I will move all of the plastics into four black metal sticks. I just call it like that. My sister did help me, so keep this here. Okay. So I'll keep this here, I think. Oh no, this one. Spin. Is it the white area? Or going this way? And okay. One is done. 3 more to go. So now need these boxes and manuals at all. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one. Oh, there's also a manual. Now this one is long, so big. I have to stand up for it. My sister's helping me. She's taller than me. She's taller than me. That's why I cannot do it. This is so tall. Look at this. It's almost bigger. We kept this upstairs because downstairs is small. That's why this cannot fit. This is just so big up down. Yo, this is so big. My sister the one do the top because I cannot reach it. And we didn't use this. This is so useless. Why? Why are you even playing this? So now we're gonna remove this. Gonna plug it. This is so big. You plug it and now it can light. And we keep the light bulb. Look at it. So cool. Woo! So cool. Let me closer too. Get closer too. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Catch you. Okay, this is so cool. This is so nice. Look at me. I'm small and this is so big. I'm just this height. Just above the light switch. This is so cool. I can't even touch it. Oh, I almost fell. This is so cool. Okay, now subscribe to this video, like this video, and subscribe, and bye-bye.